It's exile. Yeah. I'm feeling odd, I never look how I'm feeling inside. Still I feel hot as I step out the fire. I'll never go back to regular job. Shout out the 2-5, my family I'm blind. I never do what I do for applause. I never do what I do for a boss. I'm making music for you to get lost, yeah. Fight! Fight till the day I die. Got no time to lose. Right when it hits my mind, there's nothing you can do. There's no stopping how it makes your body move. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome to the show. Climbing to the top, now here we go. Yeah, you had a taste, you want some more. Let's go, let's go. Welcome to the show. I'm pulling up in my slimes. This doesn't come with a price. We own this dog all the time. Small as the eye and making it giant. Second to no one and one of a kind. It's easy to glow when you got the guidance. Trust in the spirits and trust in the science. Single parent working and I'm working on this survey. Cause I want everything I'm gonna get it, gotta go. Family and hard and I wanna do my part. To make it in a child, gonna get it, gotta go. I was born a peasant but they threatened by the king of the honors. Cause they come up for the throne. Whoa, every day's a battle with the demons. But I'm feeling like I'm leaving no more trauma. Cause we never fight alone. Fight till the day I die, got no time to lose. Right when it hits my mind, there's nothing you can do. There's no stopping how it makes your body move. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome to the show. Climbing to the top, now here we go. Yeah, you had a taste, you want some more. Let's go, let's go. Got no time to lose. Right when it hits my mind, there's nothing you can do. There's no stopping how it makes your body move. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Welcome to the show. Climbing to the top, now here we go. Yeah, you have the taste, you want some more. Let's go, let's go. Welcome to the show. Welcome to the show. ありがとうございます。ありがとうございます。はいはい。私の名前は J です。よろしくお願いします。ケビンです。よろしくお願いします。マナークです。よろしくお願いします。Here we are. Crossing Rain! Hi everyone. This is our very first time in Japan. Thank you so much for being here. We're gonna get into the next song. It's called Unfamiliar. We hope you enjoy. I'm on my Pacific pop, bass so thick, we make all the civics rock. Red so fresh, we come from a different cloth. We gon' pop, there's no question if we will or not. Hey, this is for the outsiders, never give it up. Today I'm on cloud 9, I'm always building up. Yeah, it get crowded when in towns, I stay grounded in the cut. The Gamona fill my cup, I've been drowning in the love. Listen to my body and my mind. Same, never leave the family behind. So I'ma sing it to you till you come alive. We get high on the prize, so high as we feel unfamiliar, unfamiliar. Got extended list of facts, am I familiar? Unfamiliar, we ain't really feeling ya. Yeah, there's magic when you're feeling unfamiliar. It's electric when we start. We were raised the islands. I'm familiar, we ain't really feeling ya. Yeah, there's magic when you're feeling unfamiliar. Yeah, yeah, yeah. What you know about it? Grew up eating pine shit with the chopsticks. Boy, making me strong, but I better make it nauseous. All the homies wear different countries, preposterous. Do it for Hawaii, got the kingdom on my conscience. I bet you ain't never seen a crew like this. I bet you ain't never seen a move like this. You wanna shop them all, get 10 vacation, but you never grew like this.
We'll get all the sipping on park of the car, but family give me the mono. We got a problem, I get taken for Carla, Pele spitting a lot.
Listen to my body and my mind.
Nagoya, clap for us one time.
Never leave your family behind. So I'ma sing it to you till you come alive. Real hard, feel the price, feel the high, let me feel. I'm familiar, I'm familiar. Got extended list of flags and I'm familiar. I'm familiar, we ain't really feeling ya. Yeah, there's magic when you're feeling unfamiliar. It's electric, let me slide. We were raised in the ways of the islands. I'm familiar, we ain't really feeling ya. Yeah, there's magic when you're feeling unfamiliar. Thank you.
ありがとうございます。
ありがとうございます。
暑いですね。
暑いね。
Hi, hi, hi. Again, we are Crossing Rain. 私たちはハワイ出身のポップグループです。That's all the Japanese that you're getting from me.
Yes, we want. Hello. Hi. We want to thank Nagoya Hawaii Festival for bringing us out here today to perform for you all. It's such an honor. It's actually our first time performing in Japan, so we are so blessed and thankful to have you guys here. And we also want to thank Radio Go-Go bringing us out, and just all of you guys for being here. So, oh wait, do we have a transit with us? Oh yeah,
Yes, ユタさん。
ユタさん。はい。
Make some noise for ユタさん。
はいね、先ほども冒頭でお伝えしたんですが、これが彼らにとっての日本での初めてのパフォーマンスになります。オーディエンスの皆さんに本当にありがとうと伝えたいと思っています。それでここちょっと豆知識なんですけど、彼ら絶対口パクはしません。これ本気で歌ってます。はい、すごいですよね。はい、
This next song, it's a song that we released earlier this year, and you might have actually heard it on the radio today. We had an amazing interview with Zip FM, and they played our song Black Hole Heart. So maybe you might have heard that song on the way here today.
本日ラジオでも流しました「ブラックホールハート」、皆さんお聴きください。
Please enjoy.
Babe, I know you're tired all the time. School and work, a couple hobbies on the side. So when we talk, I always try to keep you light. My black hole heart could never give you any life back. Baby, how can I be different? I'm just like that, yeah. Spent up all your precious time, you cannot buy that, yeah. We've been dreaming of this feeling, we should ride that, yeah. You're scared of the dark, still you let down all your guards. For my black whole heart has been made so hard. Give me one more chance, give me one fresh start. Baby, you're so perfect, you're so worth it. I'll be good for you. My black whole heart has been made so hard. Give me one more chance, give me one fresh start. Baby, you're so perfect, you're so worth it. I'll be good for you. Wrap me in your hoodie when I'm cold. I promise one day you'll get what I owe you back. Maybe I feel jealous of your growth. Every time I hug you, do I hold you back? Flaws, you can see my colors for the cause. Yeah, we've been in danger from the start, yeah. My in my black whole heart is with me. So hard, give me one more chance, give me one fresh start. You're so perfect, you're so worth it. Good for you.
薄いね。皆さん楽しんでいますか？ Us too. Us too. We are also having fun. Us three actually. Oh, it's so special to be here. This is our, as Yuta-san said, this is our very first time in Japan.
はい、今回こちらがね、クロッシングレインの初めての日本でのパフォーマンスになります。
And it's a funny story. I was talking with my dad actually. My dad is also a musician by the name of Mark Yamanaka.
彼のお父さんがマーク山中っていう歌手なんですね。
He's a Hawaiian musician, yes. Oh, wow, thank you. He was texting me pictures of him performing on this stage actually in Nagoya. So that was a fun coincidence and a full circle moment.
彼のお父さんも昔こちらでパフォーマンスをしたことがあるらしくて、お父さんがここでパフォーマンスをしている時の写真を彼に送ってくれたそうです。
ありがとう。But because we're here for the very first time, we wanted to make it a special moment. And so we wanted to do a song that is unreleased. We did not release it yet.
まだ発売されていない曲を今回ここで特別に披露してくださるそうです。
Just for you guys, for the very first time, we wanted to do Bestie Bomb. Thank you, enjoy.
You to know, oh, that I feel something there that wasn't there before. Oh, I've been so deep in love, I can't see the one right there the whole time. Yeah, darling, I guess enough is truly enough. I know what I want, put your hand in mine. 'Cause I can't control this of you. Can't protect it from you. The one not for me, girl, I never expect to be. Recently passed in a vibe, but she hasn't gathered the courage to ask me. Baby, this is what we making. We ain't ever looking lazy, but we're looking good together. Cheeky kisses on the page. Yeah, I've been so deep in love, I can't see the one right there the whole time. Yeah, darling, I guess enough is truly enough. I know what I want, put your hand in mine. If you could have anything, would you still want me? 'Cause I got no jealous of you. would you still want me? If you could have anything, girl, would you still want me?
Arigatou gozaimasu. That song is Bestie Bop.
Bestie Bop.
That song is coming out next Friday with a brand new music video. If you want to pre-save the song on Spotify, you can go to our Instagram to do so.
Yes, if you also want to get more updates and stay... Hello? Thank you. If you want to get more updates, you can join our social media. We have Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, basically any of them at Crossing Rain. And there we want to connect with our fans more, which we call Thunder. And just share, spread the message of aloha around the world and share it with the journey that we're on,
はい、じゃあ今皆さんが、ご覧になった曲、新曲のベスティーボップでした。こちらですね、また聴きたいよっていう方に関してはこの Spotify で聴くこともできますし、各ソーシャルメディアでも、配信しますので、ぜひそちらをチェックしてください。
Wow, it's a little warm up here. Alright, couple more numbers. This next song we're gonna do is a slower R&B song that I started on and helped write for this upcoming year that we have in store. We also released this song earlier this year, I believe in March, right? With a music video, so please go check it out. This song is called Colors. Don't run away from me, please. Hey, lover, thought you were my lover, lover. Why don't you stay with me? I'm begging, baby, I gave my heart so easily, 'cause you drew over my scars. How can I rearrange my place within your heart? I don't understand it, I can't stand it. I imagined this was gold. Now that you ran and left me damaged, I will never show my colors. When you lay here, were you lying? How could you say that you love me so? Everything's gray, no silver lining, so I'll never show my colors again. Pages painted blue until you came to me. Rosy colors filtered out the vacancies. Flowers making yellow make brown. Oh yeah, jet black heart and it's broken. Look into the heavens, seeing red. I'm floating, making me just as the green of the ocean. I drown. Baby, I gave my heart so easily, 'cause you drew over my scars. How can I rearrange my place within your heart? Can you forget about my colors? Just remember how it ends. Why don't you love me for exactly who I am? And I don't understand it, I can't stand it, but I imagine this was gold. Now that you ran and left me damaged, I will never show my colors. When you lay here, were you lying? Cause you say that you love me so. Everything's gray, no silver lining, so I'll never show my colors again. Da-da-da-da-da-da. Baby, baby, wait now, wait. Come on, baby, stay now, stay. Love is just a playground, play. So stay stay around and play now, play now, play. Baby, baby, wait now, wait now. Come on, baby, wait now. Now, stay, baby, stay. It's just a playground, playground, play. So stay around and play now, play now, play. Things just started getting really good. Things were really feeling how they should. Keep you in my arms, oh if I could. Maybe I would. Lost and around, had no time to figure out. I'm in doubt, cause my heart is in a drought.
君はもう舐めた色の故障ただ苦しいだけの日常嘘つきな君の表情見せ物僕はただの順調
You'll be on the first flight out in the morning. Wish I could reverse time back to when we met. This is not the first time I feel unimportant. Don't know if I'll survive all this pain again. Too little, too late. Too little, too late. Too little, too late. We're in love, but we just have to wait. Too little, too late. Too little, too late. Too little, too late. We're in love, but we just have to wait. I should have been more cautious with my love, breaking down the walls that we put up. I thought that maybe we would be enough, but we're rolling when the going got too tough. I am not a person who would ever second guess, but I'm feeling like we made it way too far for these aggressions. I don't wanna fight, babe, there is nothing I'll say that keeps you from moving your right. You can't lose it, baby. You'll be on the first flight out in the morning. Wish I could reverse time back to when we met. This is not the first time I feel unimportant. Don't know if I'll survive all this pain again. Too little, too late. Too little, too late. Too little, too late. We're in love, but we just have to wait. Too little, too late. Too little, too late. Too little, too late. We're in love, but we just have to wait. You'll be on the first flight out in the morning. Wish I could reverse time back to when we met. This is not the first time I feel unimportant. Don't know if I'll survive all this pain again.
Nagoya, ありがとうございます。ありがとう。Thank you so much. ありがとう。Enjoy the rest of the festival. If you want to catch us again.